It's not every day that you get a call from NVIDIA asking you to drop by their office. I was recently invited to witness the next leap in AI hardware. NVIDIA has selected the first 5 set of creators in India, and we were lucky enough to receive a brand new class of hardware, which is NVIDIA DGX Spark. And I'm incredibly honored to be part of this first wave. All of us got a chance to look at different set of GPUs. We've come a long way from the original DGX1, which was introduced and announced back in 2016, a personal computer that weighed 70 kgs and needed a dedicated power line. Today the goal is to shrink that supercomputing power into something that a single developer can carry. Well, my trip to the NVIDIA office was amazing and I feel really privileged to get the initial boxes. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is what I've received from NVIDIA, the DGX Spark kit. It's basically a supercomputer that can fit in your desk. You can use it along with your laptop. There are so many things that you can do. There are literally infinite number of things that you can do with this amazing device. So a big shout out to NVIDIA for giving me this amazing device. I'll quickly go ahead and start the unboxing. So let me quickly open the box for all of you. So there are some pull tabs here, so I'll quickly pull them as well. Okay, so the pull tabs are out of our way, and the outer shell is gone, and this is my first look at the NVIDIA DGX Spark. Isn't this amazing? Like, look at this. It's barely 1 kilogram and you can literally run a 200 billion parameter size model on this. You can run inferences on this entire device. So cool. Like, having that 128 GB of unified memory, the possibilities of creating end-to-end solutions are endless in this entire box. Thank you so much NVIDIA for sharing this across. There are other things as well. Let me quickly open the other things as well. So there is an adapter that's given. So this is the power adapter. There's a cord as well, the extension cord. And there's a sheet of paper that you would see, this something like this. I'm showing you the back side of the sheet. The front side has your unique ID for that particular Spark device. Once you kind of configure this entire device, once you kind of go through the entire configuration process, which I'll cover in the next video, you can literally access your device from anywhere in the world, not just in your local network by doing an SSH, but from any part of the world you can access this device, run LLMs. So again, multifold advantage of using this device. But yeah, this is what you have, and this here is the main highlight, the NVIDIA DGX Spark. What do I say? I'm extremely happy, and I'm really happy looking at the device. Such a small form factor. This is what amazes me, right? It's like having your own personal data center encapsulated into this small box. Couple of things before we move forward with the specifications of this amazing device. The device is currently available in India. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of startups who've started using this. There are a lot of enterprise customers who have kind of taken this. So the deliveries have started. So if you're wondering if it's available in India or not, yes, it is. I will attach the link to the official marketplace from where you can buy this device. So do check the comment section as well as the description section of the video, where I'll add the link from where you can buy this device as well. So make sure to check that out as well. When we now get into the specifications, it is here that you start seeing the Spark in NVIDIA DGX Spark. At its core, NVIDIA's DGX Spark is made up of NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell Superchip, which combines a 20-core ARM CPU with a next generation Blackwell GPU in a tightly integrated design. Instead of treating CPU and GPU like two separate worlds, Everything here is built to work together seamlessly, which according to me is a big deal for LLM workloads where moving data around is often the real bottleneck. You have 128 GB of unified memory, so there is no separate RAM or VRAM, but a single shared pool that both the CPU and GPU can access instantly. What that means in practical terms is you can load and run extremely large LLMs locally without constantly hitting limits or needing to offload to the cloud. You have 1 TB or 4 TB NVMe storage. Then there is modern network connectivity as well as connectivity that is also baked in. You have video codecs as well for video processing. All of this in a very small form factor. So the overall weight of NVIDIA DGX Spark is 1.2 kgs only. Look at this, I am still mesmerized looking at this. This weighs in at 1.2 kgs only. And can you imagine running a really large LLM, doing inferences on a large LLM using this device? We've come a long way from how the initial set of GPUs were to a pocket size inference machine. Now, there are tons of things that I plan to create with it. I have a lot of fine-tuning based use cases for a lot of local inferences that I want to kind of run on this entire device. There are a lot of agentic based use cases like having voice agents to do different things, different tasks. That is what I intend to create as well. Starting of 2026, OpenClaw came along and it kind of showed the world what you can do with respect to running agents. Well, there is a variant of OpenClaw called as NemoClaw, which is much more secure. That is also something that I plan to run on this. So there are multiple applications that you can build, like I'm listing out a few, and these are some of the initial set of experiments that I'll do. But there are tons of things that I plan to achieve with this. There are tons of things that I want to do with this as well. So if you are a researcher, if you are a startup founder, if you are an enterprise who wants to experiment with a lot of LLMs, try out different techniques, you want to run models, make inferences from models, if you're planning to fine tune a lot of models as well, if you are planning to create a lot of agentic use cases as well, look no further. If you feel the cloud bills are exploding, then local LLMs, private LLMs is the way to go forward, and this device can really help you solve that issue that you're facing. It's a one-time investment, but you can keep running multiple sets of LLMs on this amazing device. The next video is where we'll kind of set up this device, how you can start using the device as well. So that is what I'll cover in the next video. Post which I'll also start showing you applications that you can build and run on this amazing device. So this is what I wanted to share today. I am extremely grateful. I'm extremely happy to have received this device. So again, a big shout out to NVIDIA for sharing this across. And yeah, this is something that I wanted to share across with all of you as well. So if you are a budding researcher, if you are an enterprise, if you are a startup, and if you're looking for local compute, look no further. Here is a device that you should get. I'll attach the link to the exact URLs of where you can buy this. So do check that out as well. And stay tuned for more videos on NVIDIA DGX Spark. Thank you so much for watching the video.